generally cost? And I know that's a really broad question for like a decent one at least. And I mean,
Well, anywhere from 500 to 5,000. Like a portable little zippy tent you get for probably $500. You can get a 2-3 person wooden one for 5,000, and then everything in between. So you could get cheap ones. Everything has changed since 2020. Costco used to have saunas for $1,000. Now those exact same saunas are like 2,200. Not any better quality, just the nature of the beast with the distribution and the shipping charges. And then you got mid-grade stuff where you get a 1 or 2 person sauna for $2,000 or $3,000, and then probably the best ones would be 4 to 5. Yeah, not every company offers white glove service because one, they're not always super reliable. You know, the sauna gets delivered one day. It's hard to get the white glove guys there exactly at the same time, not have it sit outside overnight, all this kind of stuff. But some companies do offer, you know, white glove add-on service, or you can find a handyman service that'll do white glove install for you in your city, which might be a better option.
So if there's something that you like from today's video, or you're looking for more resources, at CertifiedSaunas.com on the homepage, there's recommended sauna resources. If you're looking for a brand, a size, a model, reviews, installation videos on how to put them together. We have step-by-step tutorials that show you how to receive a sauna, how to prep your house for it. We're trying to make it as easy as possible for you so you don't have to wade through 4 hours of YouTube video to find the exact thing that you're looking for. But a lot of times in these episodes, I'll mention sauna hats, sauna accessories, different types of electrolyte supplements. If you want to put an infrared sauna in a cold basement or unheated garage, there's accessories or additional supplemental heat that you can add to it. If you continue down, you'll find everything that you're looking for that we've mentioned today. In addition to CertifiedSaunas.com, you can go to the Facebook group, which is the Certified Sauna community on Facebook. It's our sauna group. There's no hardcore pitching. There's thousands of members in there that offer really, really, really good advice. I learn from them every day. I'm also contributing and answering questions in there every day. In addition to that, you can go to the Amazon store. A lot of people have requested on where to buy sauna towels, sauna hats, different various supplements, minerals, electrolytes. Now we have all this in one place on various lists on this Amazon store. So you can go to this one link and everything will be right there for you. See you in the next video.